Left the big city for the simple country life.
Here we are again, Joan and myself, sitting on the dock of the bay here at Cherry Hill. And this video is going to come to you, and it's called Cold Wild Sockeye Salmon Salad Every Day. Joan, take it away.
You could eat this delicious breakfast every day. It's so addictive.
In this video, we will show you how to make a cold, I did the salmon the other night for supper, and then we do a cold salad the next day. And the plate has all kinds of nutrients, and it's you'll like it. Follow it.
Complete meal.
Yeah.
You can have it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Ciao. We
Ciao.
are here in Joan. Wine is always good.
No doubt about it.
We sold our house in 2019 and took to the skies.
Yes.
We're passionate about food, wine, and travel.
Yes.
Right now, where are we?
We're in Canada.
Yeah.
We spend 3 months of the year here at Cherry Hill, Jones Resort. Sean and Janice, our oldest son, and his wife, they run it.
It's everybody's
Yeah,
resort.
I know. So, but yeah, we then in September we head out to see Lee in Vancouver and his wife Danielle, and now we're cooking up a storm here. We've had lots of good friends over for supper and stuff like that. So, take it away, Goldie.
And yeah, we're heading to Vancouver for September, and then after that back to our favorite Sicilian place and more Sicilian recipes. And we just love it if you would subscribe to our channel. That would be wonderful, just awesome. Ciao, enjoy.
Ciao, enjoy. Cheers.
Cheers. Wine is always good. I'm Joan.
Yes, you are.
I am going to taste your breakfast today.
Oh, I know. It is. I've already been eating it. It's so good.
Wow, that taste looks amazing with salmon and broccoli, everything. Wonderful.
I know.
Absolutely perfect. Ciao.
Ciao.
Every day I walk the floor and think of you.
As wine is always good, as you know, but you've been making this fantastic drink, and what's in it? What's in it again?
It's got chia seeds,
You see?
half a lemon, and a tiny pinch of salt.
Ah,
And then you let it sit for about an hour until the chia seeds get plump.
you see how it's
And-
getting very plump. Yeah,
Yeah, it tastes very good.
yeah. This is one thing that we have every morning. It's very good for your system, right?
Yeah. Yes, and it cleans the liver, cleans the intestines. There's so much fiber and nutrients in the chia, and it's very good, tasty.
Wow. Ciao. No wine this morning because we've got to do another video interview. But what I did last night we had salmon on the barbecue, and I always leave the skin on. This salmon here is just chopped up like this, okay, with the skin in, and also a little bit of lemon and a little bit of lime in it. A little bit of vinaigrette. Oh, what's not? This is
Balsamic vinegar.
balsamic. A little bit of olive oil, and later on at the very end, when I put it all together, I'm going to put on a little bit of mother vinegar. Okay. So
Apple cider vinegar with mother.
yes. Now, first of all, we put in a little bit of today is arugula, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So a little bit of arugula, and here I've made up. This is raw, and again, this has a little bit of everything that we normally do. Always a little lime, a little bit of lemon, a little bit of the olive oil and stuff. Okay. And this is, what is this again?
That's broccoli.
Broccoli.
Both are cruciferous
Yeah.
vegetables, the arugula and the broccoli. So
Yeah.
also very good for the liver and
So I'm just making one dish right now. I'll do yours next, or yours first. Okay. Then also, what I did do, one beautiful buttery avocado with
Hummus.
hummus. And
That's
also,
chickpeas and sesame seeds.
yeah. Yeah, and that also goes on. So what would like this? This you have to use up completely because otherwise.
The avocado's in
Yeah.
there.
Yeah. So that goes on, and the next one will be yours.
Remember, an avocado a day.
Oh yeah. Keeps the hormones of, not the hormones, the what away? The doctor away. Okay. Then the next thing is the 9 amigos. It's Joan's beautiful mix of nuts. Joan, what is all in these doggone nuts?
There's 9 seeds and nuts mixed in there.
Oh, and what do they do for you?
Well, they have all the amigo 3s in there, and they have a lot of fiber. So with the seeds and the nuts, they're all raw organic.
Okay, I'm still here. Okay, fantastic. Okay, so that's good. Now, look how this is starting to look. Isn't that just fantastic?
Fabulous.
The view? Now, look at this. Oh, I'm gonna add, this is, in Canada you can still get wild sockeye salmon.
Right. In season.
In
Yeah,
season, not
yeah.
farmed.
Hard to get.
Yeah, look at this. And again, you don't need a lot. But look how that looks.
Yeah.
Isn't that amazing?
Ooh.
Yeah, that's fun. Now, because we've got everything on there already, this is a little bit of old. We have a cheese factory not too far from here, about 10 miles from here, called Blumenort, and they make world-class cheese. It started off as
Luminort or New
No,
Boston?
New Bothell, sorry.
New Boston.
And this is an old port, and it is so great. So then you just put a little. I'm just going to crumble a little bit on top of this. Old port. And is that it? No.
No, the mother.
Just, you don't need a lot. Look. Just a little bit of this.
Yeah, just a little bit.
That's all you need.
Yeah.
And then you kiss your mother goodbye.
We love everything.
And that bread over there is the bread is, we get it from a German bakery called Krusty Buns. And it's called a flambe.
Yeah.
And it's also made from sourdough. But what's in it?
It's
And
amazing.
the fiber that's in it. Oh,
Yeah.
and the fiber that's in this salad.
Yes. The fiber alone, plus all the
You're
nutrients.
supposed to get like
Right.
40 some type of number of fiber a day, which I've been told.
40
Yeah.
40
40
grams?
I don't know. But anyway,
Yeah, grams.
so that is how
I think it's more.
this is pretty much a typical salad of some kind that
I think we get 40 just in this one salad.
Yeah, so
And 30 different fruits and vegetables a week, but I think we get 30 a day.
I was going to also use tomatoes, but I'm saving this for the burgers that we're doing today. We went and got 1 pound of ground beef, pure ground beef, and 1 pound of pure pork, and we did a mixture, and we had one last night on the barbecue.
Yeah, it was
And I'm going to make one more
fantastic.
today.
Yeah, for our second meal later today.
So ciao.
Ciao.
Okay, so now this is food. One thing that we've learned about the Sicilians, there's always some form after lunch, fruit of some kind. Today we're having melon. This is a yellow melon that I've cut up, and it is just, it's just, I know it probably comes from California, but it is still very good. Mmm.
Usually in Sicily it's seasonal, so
Well, our season is coming.
but,
Farmers market is going to be
here-
open soon,
yeah, exactly.
and they have these melons local. They are even better than these.
Left the big city for the simple country life. Found myself a woman that it took for me to be my wife. I was working on the ground come the sun up to sundown. Yeah, I'm trying to make a reputation for a man inside this town. Hard as I try, maybe I just can't. I ain't no up and kinda leaving me. She kissed me one time and she took my heart. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star. Well, working 3 jobs, living out of a car. Mama never told me life would get this hard.